In this video series, we're going to show you the basics to write an estimate in CCC One. In this video, we are going to focus on the first tab, which is the contacts.
Okay, so after you open up CCC, this is what you're going to see. This is when you open it up, and I'm going to go to New up here, and I'm going to click New. It's going to have a drop-down menu, and then from there, they call it their estimates work file. So I'm going to say a new work file, and that will create a new estimate for me. It takes a little bit to go through and get it created. But once it's created, I can start writing the estimate. In this first tab, we're going to go over these different tabs, but this first one is the contacts. And this is, all the contact information. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to put the first and last name. If they have a company name, you could put that up there too. And I'm just going to be real generic, use my name for everything on this estimate, but add first name. And then in the second box, put the last name. Over here, you put the telephone number of the vehicle owner. And again, I'm just putting a generic number in here. And then you also want to put it's right there, it's saying it's a possible match. And what that would do, you could click on it, and it would put their address and all the contact information that you have stored in there. But we're going to go ahead and go through this. Put my address on there. They've got an email. You can put that in the box above right there. But you want all the contact information that you can get on this estimate so that you can contact the vehicle owner, if you need to and you're not searching for it and all that. So another thing I want to show you, I'm saying that I'm the insured. If it was a claimant, third party, you could say the vehicle owner is a claimant, but I am going to leave it that I'm the insured. And then you go up to here to add, and there's different contacts that you can add. And normally the only one I use is the adjuster. I always add who the adjuster is. And again, I'm just going to leave it generic, put my name in there. And then I'll usually put the adjuster's number in there. And that way, if the vehicle owner needs to get a hold of the adjuster or the shop, they will have that number right there. I normally don't put the address, but you can put the address for the adjuster as well if you'd like to, right there. And one last thing you want to do is go up here and make sure you're writing for the right company. I got different profiles set up for different companies, so make sure you have clicked on the right one, because it'll change the header and say it's Smith Claims or whatever company you're writing for.
So that's all for this video. That's pretty basic, just the contact tab. In the next video, and we'll put the playlist up here, and when we start getting these other videos, each video we'll go over each tab that we're going to review. So anyway, I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave the comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.